Good morning, students. Yesterday I have explained the series combination of two or more resistances. You have seen in series combination sum of the resistances is equal to a given resistance. This means R equal to R1, R2 plus R3. This is the total resistance of the circuit if R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 are connected in series. Sum of the individual value of each resistance. Today I am going to explain parallel combination of resistances. There is a question, what is the total resistance or effective resistance or resultant resistance if two or more resistances are connected in parallel. So first of all, we have to define it, what is the meaning of parallel combination. If two or more resistances are connected between two common points, this combination is known as parallel combination. Suppose that R1, R2 and R3 are three resistances, and these three resistances are connected between two common points P and Q, so that potential difference remains same across all the resistances. You never forget, in series combination current remains same, but in parallel combination of resistances potential difference, that is voltage, remains same, but current becomes different across all the resistances. So three resistances are R1, R2 and R3 are connected between two common points P and Q. These combination, these end point P and Q are connected to a cell of potential difference V, that is V, due to which an electric current I is produced. When electric current produced by this cell comes to this point P, it splits into three branches. Let through I1 current flows, through R2 current flows, and through R3 current flows. So I have written here current, electric current through or across R1 equal to I1. Electric current across R2 is I2. Electric current across R3 equal to I3. Total current produced by the cell is I. So I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. From Ohm's law you know that V equal to IR or I equal to V by R. Here is I1. So I1 equal to V by R1. Voltage remains same across all the resistances. So V in R1, V to R2 and V R3. So in place of I1, V by R1 by Ohm's law. In place of I2, V by R2. And in place of I3, V by R3. V by R equal to, V is common here. Here 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. V and V cancel. And here 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is the total resistance of three resistance if they are connected in parallel. So we can easily calculate here reciprocal of each individual value. R is the resistance and its reciprocal is 1 by R1. Similarly 1 by R2. So 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is the equivalent value. if there is a question, suppose that three resistances are connected in parallel and value is given here 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 3 ohm. You have to calculate the total resistance of the circuit. Formula is here. Since these are in parallel, so we can easily calculate 1 by R equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. We have to solve it, we get the value of R. So in parallel combination of resistance, total value becomes very, very less, even the least value of the given problem. So this is the combination of two type of resistance, that is parallel combination and series combination. In my next class, I have to solve few numerical questions based on these two combinations, series as well as parallel combination. Thanks, that's all.